Efficient financial management starts with a well-organized chart of accounts. Here is how to set yours up manually or through automation. From your dashboard, navigate to the Workspace menu and select Accounting Masters to access your financial tools. Next, click on Chart of Accounts to view and manage your ledger details. To add a single item, use the Add Account button to open the creation form. Fill in the required fields such as account type, name, and currency. Once the details are entered, save your changes. The new account is instantly added to your list and ready for use. To speed up the process, you can upload multiple accounts at once. Select the Import option from the menu. Select the Upload CSV option to upload all of your account information. Download the provided CSV template. This file contains the required format to ensure your data imports correctly without errors. Once you have filled out the template with your account data, simply drag and drop the file here to begin the upload. Review the imported rows on the screen. You can verify the details and ensure everything matches your records before finalizing. Click the Save button to commit these entries to the system. Your chart of accounts is now fully populated. You can search, filter, or manage your accounts from this view at any time. Experience how our platform can streamline your business finances. Book a demo today to see it in action.